What's going on, guys? Ian here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got another bike I'd like to show you today. We're looking at a 2016 Vivid Black Harley Davidson Road Glide Special FLTRXS. So it's got the Vivid Black paint job. And the specials come with this nice pinstriping, at least in 2016 they did. And it's got a painted interfering. This one just happens to match the Vivid Black on the outside, but all the specials are painted black. Our interferings are painted black regardless of the outer color. Does have the 103 cubic inch motor with a 6-speed transmission. Does have the factory exhaust system from the headers to the slip-ons. It's got the nice easy open saddlebags. Come around to the front here. It's got the nice front fairing, fixed front fairing with dual headlight. Front fender's in really good condition. Plenty of tread on the front tire. Come around here. Being the 2016, does have the hydraulic clutch, does have cruise control. Oh yeah, does have 806 miles. Just wanted to mention 806 miles. It's got the touchscreen radio, AM, FM, no CD player, but Bluetooth and USB. You do have the USB port inside of here, if you can see down there. See if I can get her to start for us. It is set up for 2-up riding. You got the 2-up seat, one-piece 2-up seat with the rider seat and the passenger. Passenger does have pegs. See if I can. Of course, your rider does get their own set of floorboards. It's got an engine guard. Throttle by wire, so electronic throttle. Come down here to the rear tire. Obviously, plenty of tread on the Dunlop 407. Bike is belt driven. Dual disc braking on the front. Mag wheels on the front and back. I know it's hard to believe, but this is a pre-owned motorcycle with 806 miles, so basically brand new. It is obviously one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. It's had a multi-point inspection, gone on at least a 15-mile test ride, and has had a professional detail. If you have any questions about this motorcycle, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can get on our website at cleanharleys.com and take a look at our full inventory. We do sell and ship bikes all over the world and take virtually anything in on trade. Being one of our certified pre-owns, it is eligible for great financing options. It is also eligible for extended warranty plans. We sell and ship bikes all over the world. I already said that part. I'm getting repetitive now. So give us a call and see what we can do about getting you on this 2016 Vivid Black Road Glide. This is Ian with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.